Okay, so I'm going to say today's March 1st. We're going to say U equals 20 kilometers. Hey guys, can stay with me, please. Vector V is 25. North 23 degrees east. Okay. So what I'm going to do is here, I'm going to be adding these vectors together. All right. Can somebody be brave? I want to do the Spider-Man thing today. Go around to everybody. Sorry, Brent. I'll pick on you last. I'm going to pick on first. Caleb is going to be my first victim today. Caleb, could you please be brave and tell me what 3U equals?
60.
Okay. Now, just a reminder from yesterday, remember when we said 3U, all that means that the magnitude will be tripled. So the direction is not going to change. That's going to change to 60 kilometers, north 18 degrees west. Does everyone feel okay about that before I continue? All right, Jason, you get the difficult one. What's negative 2V going to be?
50 kilometers and same direction.
Yeah, same direction but opposite. So, and very good description there, because that's exactly what it is. I think it says 23 degrees west. I did my math right. Okay, now if you don't know how to get that yourself, what I would do probably is I draw, this is your positive V, so negative V is going to look like this. Okay, so everyone gets the idea for that? So then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add those vectors. All right? So I'm going to draw my triangle. I'm going to start with Teresa, please. Teresa, can you tell me how to draw north 18 degrees west?
Yes. You do like the whole I do like the dots.
Perfect.
And you do like 18 degrees.
Yeah, good. So that right there is 18, very good. And that's going to be 60. Okay, well, 60 kilometers. All right, now before I continue here, this is what gets a lot of people mixed up on vectors. Where is the next one here, Austin? Am I adding from the left or from the right when I add the second vector to the, like, am I going to add from here or from here? From the top, definitely, okay? So from here, I'm going to go here, south, 23 degrees west. Okay, so everyone see that? Okay, because that's how it has to look, something like that. And that's going to be 50. So my resultant now is going to be 3 minus TV, 2V goes around here somewhere. Actually, technically, I'm doing this. Okay, so what I did is plus the negative there, okay? Is everyone feeling sort of okay about that first diagram here, okay? Now, I know there are some of you, not mentioning names, that didn't do the negative part. Are we all okay with the negative, right? Because that's just a change of direction, right? Okay, Chris, before I can solve for magnitude of 3U minus 2V, what do I need to do first?
You have to find the angle of the top one.
Good, so what's this angle here going to be, Chris?
Right. So,
Uh-oh, it's okay. I know you're in my class in grade 9, so whoever that grade 9 teacher was, shame on him for not sticking this in your brain. Nathan, what do I do now to find this one? We just need this part here, right?
So, wait, which part are we wanting?
Just this part on the right is one we need.
So, if you make that 190 there,
Like this here?
yeah, and then that one's 90.
Yeah.
You know that top one needs to be 72.
72.
And then that's supposed to be 90-degree angle there.
Yes.
So that's
Very good. Now, if you don't like that, you can always go zzz, zzz, zzz for your Z pattern, okay, back from grade 9. You guys remember that? Zzz, zzz, zzz? Okay. So this makes this 41 degrees. You said I could keep teaching, right? Once the thing was over, so I'm not actually. Okay, great. Michael, how do I solve this distance right now, please?
What distance?
The distance of this vector.
You just multiply the
Oh,
total.
not quite, not quite. Somebody help me here, so it's okay, it's the first thing in the morning. Cosine law, very good. So I'm gonna say the magnitude of 3u plus negative 2v squared equals 50 squared plus 60 squared minus 250, 60 cos 41. Now, hopefully what you're seeing is here, for these, cosine law always happens, okay? We're gonna learn tomorrow. I heard it on Nathan, was it Nathan we were telling me that they're doing, that Miss Mackin is doing this too? And she did components right away. We're gonna talk about components tomorrow, okay? So, like this, I'm just gonna use trig for two vectors. It's easier to do with trig. When you get up to like 3 and 4 like we did yesterday, it's a nightmare, as you saw, okay? All right, you, I know you're working on something else right now. Were you able to, can you give me what the magnitude of 3u minus 2v is? You get that distance? The distance of this one?
I'm doing the different way.
Oh, okay. Well, you still must have got a distance for this vector though, didn't you?
And I got the total is 39.6.
39.6? Can somebody confirm that for me? We're good? Yeah, even if you do it a different way, the final result should still be the same as that. Okay. All right. Are most people feeling sort of okay about the basic trig here? Because there's still one more thing we need to do. A vector has a magnitude, and Luke, what else does a vector have other than magnitude?
Direction.
Direction, good. So what angle do we need to solve for right now? Luke, keep going. Well, we have two options. You have option A and option B. Which one is it going to be?
A, B. I was
B
gonna
is
say.
correct. Okay. Now the reason that is, hold on. I don't mean to make fun here. Okay. The reason that is, could somebody explain why it's that one and not the other one? Because this is really important, Chris.
Because it starts at the tail.
Yeah, it's starting right here. Okay, right? So that's the one you have to do. Now, in order to get my angle, what I'm going to do is I'm going to start north and add 18 to it and go west. Okay, unless you get to the south, unless it goes down below. I don't know how far it's going to be. Okay, so everyone see that? So my direction equals 18 degrees plus theta, okay, from north. So everyone see that? We're going to go north, add 18 to whatever theta is, and add 18 to it to west. Are we okay on the logic for where that came from? Okay, how are you feeling?
Wait, can you stop?
Yeah, no problem. So if I know that this vector is going to be over here someplace, I can't get the heading. All I can get is this distance, this angle right there. So you have to get it relative to north, south, east, or west. Since I know north is up here, I'm probably going to do it from here. So I'm just going to take 18, and then let's say this is 50, add 50 plus 18. Okay. All right. Okay, who did I stop at? I can't remember. Derek, I think I'm at you, I think. Can you solve for theta for me, please? Go ahead.
Sure, we're using the sine law.
Yeah, go ahead.
We'll have, sine theta over 50 equals sine 41 over 39.6.
Okay, now, Karen, I'm going to pick on you. This is correct before I continue, I hope. Because remember yesterday you told me I was incorrect with the zeros off? This I think is good, okay? All right, Nicole, what do I do to isolate theta? What's the first step? Yeah, that's 50, so sine theta. Very good. And then theta equals sine inverse 50 times sine 41 over 39.6. Please remember, this goes to Brendan, we're in degree mode instead of radians because we're dealing with angles. Brendan, do you have a calculator with you by any chance today? This is going to be your chance to shine, you know that. I was going to say, Brendan, show me the answer. Can you guys pass that back to him? Okay, because I want Brendan and everyone else to make sure they can calculate this angle, okay? Matthew, were you able to get an answer for that, or you're still calculating?
55.9.
55.9, can somebody confirm? 55.9. .8? Okay, we'll call it. Okay, so if you took a look, what we did is, that green little angle is 55.8, okay? Got that? So in order to get my heading, I'm gonna say north, I have to add 18 from it. Are we okay with the logic of why I have to add 18? Okay? But the idea is here for this, that's why it's nice to draw a nice big diagram, the best that you can for that. So therefore, 3U minus 2V equals 39.6 kilometers north, oh boy, 73.8 degrees west, or 39.6 west, 16.2. Either one, I've thought about if either one of those is going to be okay to me. If you want to do one or the first or the second one, either one of those is okay. Right? Please be brave and ask questions. Yes. One more time. Just. Oh. Yeah. Okay. So what I did was here. This. Stay with me, guys. So the original vector for V is going to go like this, right? So negative V, if you remember, is just going to be in the exact opposite direction. So negative V is going to be here. All right. So in the same way, this 23 on the opposite, you know what I mean, like opposite angle theorem and all that stuff. Yeah. I'll get pause the video and then we'll go through some homework. Oh, we might have time.
No, why do you guys not want lessons? Ugh.